7 reasons why most people are broke and what to do. Do you want to know the real reason why most people are broke? In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 reasons why most people are broke and how you can avoid these mistakes. Hey guys, my name is David, and in this video, I'm going to talk about something that a lot of us are struggling with: money. More specifically, the 7 reasons why most people are broke. Now, if you are anything like me, you want to find out what these reasons are so that you can start fixing them and become wealthier. So let's get started. They don't have a budget. Most people are broke for one simple reason, which is they don't have a budget. A budget is an essential tool for financial success. Yet so many people live month to month without any plan for their money. As a result, they often find themselves spending more than they earn and falling into debt. If you are tired of being broke, the first step is to create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses for 1 month. Then categorize your expenses and figure out where you can cut back. Once you have a good idea of your spending patterns, you can begin to set financial goals and develop a plan to reach them. With a budget in place, you will be on your way to financial success. They spend more than they earn. Nowadays, people are broke because they spend more money than they earn. This may seem like an obvious statement, but it is often overlooked. To be financially successful, you need to make sure that your spending does not exceed your income. Unfortunately, this is a difficult task for many people. There are numerous factors that can contribute to overspending, such as impulsive buying, peer pressure, and keeping up with the Joneses. However, regardless of the cause, the result is the same. Most people are broke because they spend more money than they earn. If you want to be financially successful, you need to be conscious of your spending and make sure that it does not exceed your income. They don't save money. Some people spend everything they make and then some. They live for today and don't think about tomorrow. They charge everything to credit cards and don't pay off their balances. The first step to getting out of this cycle is to start saving money. It doesn't have to be a lot, but you need to start somewhere. Begin by setting aside a small amount each week or month. Once you get in the habit of saving, you can start increasing the amount you set aside. You may also want to consider opening a savings account so you can earn interest on your savings. By taking these steps, you can start on the road to financial security. They buy things they can't afford. Broke people buy things they can't afford. They live paycheck to paycheck and don't have any savings. They have a lot of credit card debt and can't pay it off. Student loans are also a big problem for many people. They can't find good jobs after college and end up defaulting on their loans. This is why most people are broke. They spend all their money on things they don't need and can't afford to save any of it. They don't invest their money. Some people are broke because they don't invest their money. They would rather spend it on things that will depreciate in value, such as cars, clothes, and also think that they don't have enough money to invest. So why bother? The truth is that you can start investing with very little money. There are stocks and business websites that offer investment opportunities with very low amount of money. And once you start investing, your money will grow over time. If you don't invest, your money will just sit in a bank account and slowly lose value due to inflation. So if you want to become financially successful, start investing today. They pay too much in taxes. It's no secret that the majority of Americans are broke. In fact, according to a recent study, nearly 80% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. There are a number of contributing factors to this financial insecurity, but one of the biggest is the amount of taxes we pay. Federal, state, and local taxes take a huge chunk out of most people's incomes, leaving little room for savings or investment. For many Americans, the high cost of taxes is simply too much to handle. As a result, they are constantly struggling to make ends meet. It's no wonder why so many people are eager to get their taxes lowered. They are not aware of their finances. Most broke people are not aware of their finances. They don't know how much money they have, what they are spending it on, or how to save it. As a result, they end up living paycheck to paycheck and never getting ahead. The first step to fixing this problem is to educate yourself on personal finances. There are plenty of books, articles, and websites that can help you understand the basics of budgeting, investing, and saving. Once you have a better handle on your money, you can start making changes to improve your financial situation. Even small steps like tracking your spending and setting up a budget can make a big difference in your ability to build wealth over time. With a little planning and effort, it is possible to overcome the obstacles standing in the way of financial success. Thank you guys so much for watching.